Hey friends, this is Sean from Mind Possible, and this is my third video about my recently released book, Mindsight, about learning how to see without eyes. Some of you might be wondering, hey, I thought I needed to go learn this from a group or a teacher somewhere. And you may have looked up training programs, and there are only about a handful available around the world. And all I'll say now is you could look them up, just Google them and find out how much they charge. And that's one reason why I've never been trained by another person, because the fees put this out of my reach. And so I just use my elbow grease and my patience and persistence to teach myself. And this book is about how you can teach yourself without working with someone else. So it's for being self-taught. And you might wonder, how do I check the color of the card or the number that I'm working with? There's a technique in the book where you can check if you're perceiving accurately or not without taking off your blindfold, which will be important during your training. So there's a method in there. And some of you have seen a video I made a while ago called the glue technique. So this is about using the glue technique. However, you can use this book in conjunction with partner work or in groups. And the thing about working with other people is it could speed up your process, because working with another person can be more exciting. There's more humor there, more laughter. It'll keep you more engaged. So I'm not saying that you should only work by yourself. Absolutely not. If you can work with a partner or find a group of people, create your own group, that's probably the best way to go. And this book will give you a set of exercises that you can do with your partner on a long-term basis or with a group that you're working with. So it's useful that way. But if you're by yourself, maybe your schedule doesn't allow you to work with another person on a consistent basis, this book will help you train yourself and show you how to monitor your progress. And it also gives you suggestions for how to keep things interesting for you. They're what I call boredom busters inside, and some auxiliary exercises that you could throw into your schedule to keep things interesting. Because if it gets too boring for too long, then your mind is going to lose interest. So you have to keep yourself excited. And this book will help you do that, but it is a challenge no matter what you do.